MG India. Congratulations to you. I guess he's the youngest one who is receiving the award. Can we have a good round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? Dynamic Entrepreneur of the Year. I'd be sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Mehul Singh Thakur, Director, Blue Cloud Solar Energies Private Limited. Mehul Singh Thakur, Director, Blue Cloud Solar Energies Private Limited. He has won Dynamic Entrepreneur of the Year award. Congratulations to you, sir. The next category, Outstanding Contribution in Real Estate Services. Mr. Nishant Narayan. He is Director cum Promoter of Gianna Inframoves Private Limited, Bhubaneswar, straight from Orissa. Congratulations, sir. Mr. Nishant Narayan, everyone. And now, the category that deserves most of our applause, Entrepreneur of the Year. Mr. Mukesh Mandal, Director, Hades Engineering Private Limited. Mr. Mukesh Mandal ji, congratulations to you. He has won Entrepreneur of the Year award. The next category, the most emerging innovative startup of the year. I love the name, My Coconuts, Girish Sodani ji and Priyanka Sodani ji. Amazing name. Most emerging innovative startup of the year. Best PR Company of the Year. A name which creates quite a buzz in my city, Indore. Sneha Tiwari, CEO, PR 24/7. Sneha Tiwari ji, can we have you on the stage? CEO, PR 24/7. They won the award for Best PR Company of the Year. Sneha ji, congratulations, Sneha. PR 24/7, Sneha ji, Best PR. Mr. Anurag Chokse is now here with us. He won the award, his company won the award for Best Advertising Company, Inspire Media World. अनुराग चौकसे जी, क्या आप हमारे समक्ष हैं? Congratulations. Next category, Emerging Brand Builder of the Year. Mr. Rajiv Dwivedi, Founder, RD Media. Mr. Rajiv Dwivedi, क्या आप हमारे साथ हैं? Okay, fine. Next category, Best RERA Consultant in MP, Advocate Anup Kashyap ji, CEO, RERA Mitra. Congratulations to you, sir. Yes, Advocate Anup Kashyap, CEO, RERA Mitra. Next category, Best Marketing and Branding Advertisement Agency. Mr. Pramesh Sharma, Mr. Arpit Parekh, can we have you on the stage? Congratulations to you, sir. We move on to the next category. Top Innovative Architecture Company of the Year. Mr. Arun Patilar and Mandeep Patilar, MD, Surface Capital. Top Innovative Architecture Company of the Year. Award goes to Mr. Arun Patilar and Mandeep Patilar. Can we have you on the stage? Alright, moving on. A very amazing category, Visionary Leader of the Year. And the award goes to Shailesh Kapadia, Director, Sun Technicals Inc. Mr. Shailesh Kapadia, congratulations to you. He is the Visionary Leader of the Year. Next category, Leading Firms in the Real Estate Sector. इनकी तो नाम में ही विजेता है। विजेता बिसेन राणे, मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर, शेल्टर होम्स। Congratulations to you. Thank you all for applauding them. Then next category, Best Business Startup of the Year. Jitendra Kumar Mandal and Mukesh Mandal, can we have you again on the dais? Tejas Engineering Private Limited, Best Business Startup of the Year. Congratulations. Rightly said, innovation is very important for any country's growth. And next category is Most Innovative AI Company of the Year 2025. Award goes to Thor Signia, Shahid Akbar Khan. He's the CEO. Shahid Akbar Khan. Sir, can we have you on the stage? Do we have you here? Best Real Estate Consultant in Sioni, Dinesh Yadav ji, Director, Vaishnavi Real Estate. Dinesh Yadav ji, congratulations to you, sir. I hope we can all shower them with gratitude and love, which they truly deserve. Solution. The name we've been hearing since the beginning of the event. Dr. Gulpreet Singh Rathore, founder, Zip Dial. They are one of the sponsors as well. Thank you so much, sir. And congratulations to you. Dr. Gulpreet Singh Rathore, founder, Zip Dial, Best in Mobile Marketing Solution. I'm so sorry, it's Dr. Gulpreet Singh Arora. Well, there's nothing perfect in the world. Sorry. Now the category is Best in Organic Farming. Mr. Jay Narayan Ji. I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Mr. Jay Narayan Ji. Narayan Ji, yes. बहुत बहुत बधाई हो आपको सब। And Mr. Deepak Ji. मैं अनुरोध करूँगी आप सबसे कि हम नेचुरली खुद होके अगर सभी के लिए तालियां बजा सकें, that would be really lovely. The category is Best in FPO and the award goes to Mr. Jagpal Singh. Mr. Jagpal Singh, can we have you on the stage?